Burglars smash their way into Seattle pet store and leave gun behind.
Been hit by burglars for the third time. Seward Park Pet, located on Wilson Avenue South, caught this latest break-in on surveillance video. They called the burglary into Seattle police, who took about 2 hours to respond. According to the store's owner, she tells Fox 13 News that in addition to all the broken glass, a gun was left behind.
The fact that they came in and they had a gun was just really, really upsetting.
So I'll tell you the kind of people that leave guns behind at the crime scene. Criminals. And the reason is obviously it's criminals, right? You can see the video right here. Because if you're a law-abiding citizen who carries a gun, you carry a gun in a certain way and you carry a gun in that way all the time. And so you would never leave your gun behind because your gun wouldn't be out. Your gun would be on you or be in the safe place you have for your firearm. But if you're a criminal, what's going on is you're probably entering the store or entering the property with the gun in your hand. So you're not drawing the gun out of a holster or something like that, like a law-abiding citizen would be. You're uh, entering the store with the gun in your hand. You're riding with the gun in your hand. So you entered the store with the gun in your hand, expecting that there's going to be someone in the store. You enter the store, nobody's in the store. The store's closed. So what do? You have to rob the store, right? Look, these guys are carrying out monitors, they're carrying out big things. So they have to set their gun down and they carry the stuff out. Once they've got the load that's complete, that adrenaline's going and they just want to leave. So they just jump in their vehicle and they just get out of there, leaving the gun behind. And the reason they leave the gun behind is because they don't normally carry a gun, which is why they don't have it in a holster, because they're carrying it in their hand because they're criminals. If I was going to rob this store as a law-abiding citizen, how strange does that sound? But as a law-abiding citizen, if I was forced into robbery somehow, I would have a holster. So as a normal law-abiding citizen, if I wanted to put my gun away during the robbery because I entered the store and there's nobody there, then I just holster my gun. But these guys don't have a holster, so they just leave their gun behind.
Childs also says that a lot of small businesses are struggling right now. She wants the mayor and the city council to do more to protect other local family-owned stores in Seattle.
Have a great day, okay?